In this video, you'll learn how to add a clickable email link to your Google site. First, click the red button to open the element options. Then, select the button option to add a new clickable button to your site. Next, insert your email link by clicking into the link input and entering your mail to email address. Once finished, click Insert to add your link to the button. Now, select the filled style from the drop-down and choose a color palette to help your email button stand out. Click the Contact Us button to ensure your link is active and opens an email draft. Next, select the text option if you prefer to display an email link as plain text instead of a button. Then, click Publish to make your changes live on your site. Finally, select your browser, such as Microsoft Edge, to preview and test your new email link. Now you know how to add and test email links in Google Sites.